Hi, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. Today I'm going to show you how I label and organize my dies, okay? So these are magnet sheets that I get from Stampin' Storage. I will have the link for them. I label them with my P-Touch, and then I slide them in a pocket, also from Stampin' Storage. So I'll have a link to all of them. In the old days, I only labeled the magnet sheet, but now I'm labeling this up here because I store them in alphabetical order in this clear container, and I'll make sure I have the link to it as well. It's the same clear container that I use for my designer series paper, the stacks, the 6x6. So this measures 8 by 8 by 6, okay? So let me show you what I do. When I get a new set of dies in, I take it out of the packet. This is the Chick dies that will be available on February 1st of 2021. I place it on my copier or scanner, whatever you want to call yours, and I make 2 copies of it. One copy is going to go behind the dies in here so that I will have a visual of all the pieces. The second one's going to go inside the stamp set, so I will not forget that it has a die, because yes, I have done that. Some of y'all probably remember when I did that. So your first step is to make a copy of it. I just lay this flat on the printer and it prints 2 copies. So I'll just cut one of these. I won't cut both of them. Take my trimmer. Okay, so this is going to go into the pocket. Now we'll set both of these aside for just a minute. I'm going to turn this over and I'm going to get the name. So I'm turning my P-Touch on. There's this is an older model. I have a newer model, but gosh, I've been using P-Touch since the early 90s. I love them. So I have it on the middle setting. So there's 2 to the left, 2 to the right. And I'm going to type Chick dies. So capital C and then the rest lowercase, capital D. And then I'm going to space and then put how many's in there. So there's 19. And then I'm going to print 1 with the number on it, and then I'm just going to I'm going to erase the 19. So there's that one. And then I'm just going to backspace and print this one, okay? Okay, move that out of the way for now. And I'm going to take this one and place it on the magnet sheet. I need to use my adhesive remover and remove the leftover adhesive from the last dies. Once a die retires, I do remove it and either give it away or sell it. So then I take all of these off here and put them on the magnets. There is a lot of dies in this one, lots of littles. I love it. Like I said, it's going to be available on February 1st of 2021. Hopefully I said the right year at the top of the video. Now you see why it's important to have the 19 on there. Okay, so then I take this pocket and I slide this in. Now if there's littles up here, I might swap that out for a larger one so that these littles don't accidentally get knocked out. So I moved it. And now this is going to go in the back. So that way if I'm trying to figure out where a die is or what it is, because I keep a bowl of dies with my die cut machine. Okay, so there's that one. Now we take this label and we put it up here so that I can put it with all the others. And there we have it. So it's going to go in alphabetical order over here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you one more. Why not, right? This video is not too terribly long. So the next one is the birthday chick dies. So we're going to clear this and type birthday. And I'm just going to do chick, because if I type dies, it's going to make it too long. And this one has, oh wait, not chicks, but just chick. And this is 11. So print. Erase the 11 and print. So while that's printing, I'll add this label to the magnet sheet. So on my blog and on my video in the description, I'll have a link to the magnet sheets, a link to the pockets, a P-Touch. It won't be this model because, like I said, this is a really old one. Okay, we'll turn this off for now. And then we'll take these dies. These are some super cute dies. I think they're going to be very popular. Look at this little chick. So cute. Okay, so I've got my pocket here. I'm going to place it inside there. And then add the label. To the top. And then these will go in alphabetical order in my container. Okay, so that wraps up how we forgot to add the sheet right here. So let's not wrap it up. Let's finish that real quick with adding the information sheet. I call it information sheet because it shows you all the pieces. Okay, slide that in there, and now we're good to go. Okay, so that wraps up how I label and store my dies. If you need anything, let me know. Have a great day. Bye.